Hello all, I'm Dr. Vishnu. Now I'm going to discuss one more topic in the polymer chemistry, that is preparation, properties and applications of polyethylene terephthalate, which is also abbreviated as PET. This PET belongs to the polyesters class. The other names of this polymer are terylene or dacron. Usually this polyethylene terephthalate is synthesized by condensation polymerization reaction between the pure terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol, or else this terephthalic acid is converted into dimethyl terephthalate, which is allowed to react with the ethylene glycol in the basic medium. When pure terephthalic acid is allowed to react with ethylene glycol, it will undergo condensation polymerization by eliminating the small water molecule. And in other way, first the terephthalic acid is converted into its dimethyl ester by treating it with methyl alcohol. You can see this reaction. This is terephthalic acid which is allowed to react with the methanol and converted into a dimethyl terephthalate. It is a diester, dimethyl ester. And this dimethyl ester, after purification, allowed to react with the ethylene glycol by ester exchange. It is nothing but the trans-esterification reaction, and you can see a methanol molecule is eliminated. This CH3O and H are eliminated as methanol group, and you can see a new ester bond is formed between the terephthalate and the ethylene glycol. When it comes to the properties, so it readily crystallizes because of the symmetrical structure and the numerous polar groups. You can see here the symmetrical structure of this polymer. We have a benzene ring, on which first and fourth positions are connected to ester bonds, and these ester bonds are again connected to ethylene group. These are connected to the again a ester bond followed by the benzene. So because of this symmetrical property, it is readily crystallized, and it has many polar groups. Next, its glass transition temperature is about 80 degrees Celsius, and the melting point of this polymer is about 265 degrees Celsius. It has very good resistance to hydrocarbon solvents and also the moisture, and it has very good mechanical properties like high modulus, tensile strength, tear strength and impact strength, which are retained up to 150 to 170 degrees Celsius. So it is because of the stiff polymer chain and powerful dipole-dipole attractions, because this polymer is containing the polar groups, especially the ester bonds. It is an outstanding crease resistant, low moisture absorption and more durable fiber forming material, and some other properties like simple properties. You can see it is a crystal clear polymer with good purity and health. You must have seen the sparkling PET bottles with brilliant glass which attract us. The products of PET taste good and comply with international food contact regulation. So the objects made from the PET like bottles are tough and virtually unbreakable, thereof can be easily used for storage and transportation. This polymer has a high impact and tensile strength that makes it ideal for carbonated products. This PET has low permeability to oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. Therefore, it maintains the integrity of products with good shelf life. Not only that, it is a lightweight product. PET is a lightweight product, reduces the shipping cost compared to glass products. And also, due to the absence of well line in the base, PET bottles are free from leakage and damage. And also, these PET bottles are recyclable. And also, this PET is recyclable and can be reshaped in different shapes. And also, PET products have good resistance against different chemicals such as acids, bases, etc. So you can see the applications based on these properties. They can be used in the manufacturing of magnetic recording tapes. You can see these magnetic recording tapes. Next, transparent films. So usually this type of sheets used transparent sheets are used for the overhead projectors, and also for making the bottles, pet bottles, which are very popular. So they are used for the cola drinks, fruit juice, concentrates, beers, spirits, and sauces, packing and storage. Next, microwave oven, body parts are the cabinets, as well as this bread toaster, coffee machine cabins, as also a car heater, and this water meter gauge, etc. So these are made up of the pet. And not only that, already we know this pet is recyclable. So the by recycling these pet bottles or pet polymers, they are converted into clothings. You can see they are converted into fiber form, which are used for the, which are converted into the this coat. So, and also it is used as a reinforcing material or as a composite material in the tire cord in the form of fiber, and also the curtains, transparent curtains, and also it is used in the fiber form. So these are the main applications of the polyethylene terephthalate. So thank you.